Why are lash sets so expensive? How many of you have heard this question and felt so fiery because it is so much hard work? It's super easy for people from the outside to look in and be like, well, all you have to do is pick up a lash and place it on another lash. But there is so much more to it than that. For starters, it takes years and courses and time to perfect the craft of lashing. Another misconception that outsiders looking in have is that people who work from home have no overhead cost. That is absolutely untrue. Even those who work from home have a pretty high overhead cost. Think about it. You need a space to lash from. It doesn't matter if you're working at someone else's salon or in your own home. Your rental or leasing cost goes up regardless, because you need that extra space to dedicate to lashing. On top of that, you have insurance to pay, business license, setup cost, and product cost, of course. In terms of product cost, you cannot cut corners. The reason why is because you are offering a luxury service, so you want those lash sets to be comfortable and you want them to last as long as possible. It's not going to do the trick. You want to use high-end lash supplies, which do cost more. On top of all of these additional expenses, you're also putting a lot of time into every service. Yes, as a whole, lash extensions might seem expensive, but also think about this. The lash artist is dedicating 2 to 4 hours for every single lash service. Time is money, and on top of that, they're hustling outside of those hours, and they're not getting paid for that. They have to do marketing, they have to do videos and editing for social media, they have to book and connect with clients through text, direct messaging. There is a lot of time that goes into this business that you cannot see on the surface. Not to mention that when we're not physically lashing a client, we're not making any money. That means that when clients cancel in the middle of the day,
you're f***ed.
That means that when clients cancel in the middle of your working day, you're losing out on that money. So if you are a lash extension artist who has been feeling like they're not making nearly enough money, even though they really feel like they're worth more, then maybe this is your sign to up your prices. Now you can help your clients to understand why your services are as expensive as they are, and don't worry, you are worth every single penny that you're charging. I don't sound like a chipmunk.